want to make a quick video. This is my 2016 Accord. I'm in Minnesota. If you can't tell, we got snow here. It gets cold. I got my set of winter wheels and tires. But what I want to talk about is an upgrade on the 4 cylinders. This is for all the 9th gen, so the 13 through 17s. Really cool upgrade you can do. A V6 size battery fits directly into your 4-cylinder engine compartment. All you need, top bracket. I got the bolts here and the nuts. I'm not sure if you can use the old ones on the smaller battery. Also a plastic case, same as the one that's on the smaller battery. You just have to buy the ones for the V6. Essentially, you just have to go in there and ask for all that hardware from the V6. I'll put the numbers for that in my description below. But for some people like me, you have a sound system, or maybe you're drawing a little more power. Let's say you listen to the radio with the car off a lot. This will give you a little more reserve power, some more cold cranking amps. Might not last any longer, but if you're in a really cold climate, like here in Minnesota, we just hit like 30 below recently. I mean, you kind of need stuff like this in a pinch. So really good upgrade to do. It doesn't cost too much, especially if you need a new battery anyways. Just wanted to give you guys a tip.